We're at the same place we were, I think, 2 weeks ago, was it?
Yeah.
And we've done a little bit of work. It worked out some bugs too. We almost caught the car on fire, but we didn't, so that was good. We had a problem with the lighter in the stereo, and turns out it was something that was stupid. But there has been a voltage regulator problem that we've been working on. Go ahead and pop that hood. Actually, I'll come over here. The voltage regulators on this thing are something I'm learning about. And they're located right down here. Now that one is one that you could get at the parts store or whatever. That particular one I think came from Amazon. And I guess these under $20 cheapo voltage regulators are prone to fail. And I think our first one may have, that I put on there the other day. Now you can go with the mechanical one. That's an auto light, but they're kind of expensive and they don't work really well. I'm hearing the Motorcraft ones are the best ones. And I've got one on order. So this one's working for now. But we're going to put a Motorcraft in there. Hopefully Wednesday is supposed to come in. And also, the brakes are wonky. And the booster's wonky. That is original booster. And master cylinder, single bowl master cylinder. And in the shop we do have a dual bowl master cylinder with a booster. I think Lead makes it. And yeah, that's going to go on here soon along with brakes. The brakes work, but yeah, that booster's tired. I also put in the solenoid right there. It's just pretty. I probably didn't need one, but I put it in. Just trying to chase ground problems. And then, of course, we don't have our shroud on yet. Ordered it, Amazon lost it. But we're going to do a shroud on there. It's a half shroud. So I don't have to remove anything to put it on. But we do have to remove everything up here. Radiator, fan, all that. To get to the balancer, we're going to put a different balancer on here. We're going to put a universal on here that accepts either 3 or 4 bolt. It's got spacers on it. It's 20 ounce like the motor needs. But yeah, we're going to be doing that. So everything's got to come off, and I'm debating whether to use this 69 Famoco fan or put a flex fan on here. Haven't figured that out yet. By the way, for those of you who are wondering what the spacing is on the 4-core radiator in this setup, it's a 1.5 inch fan spacer. And we got plenty of clearance. Something I didn't show you last time. If you look down here, you can kind of sort of see our HiPo manifolds, which are kind of neat. No one's going to see them. They barely fit, but the original 65. I thought they were kind of cool. So anyway, that's what we're working on. We also have a trans leak, and the timing and the brakes. But otherwise, we should be okay, I hope, for the year. Hopefully. Should we go home?
Sure.
Yeah, close the hood. We'll go home. So we'll just take a drive home. We also, and I'll show you this. Remember last time it was shifting kind of hard, but we did put a new vacuum modulator in the car. And it's making a difference. I'm going to hand the phone over to you, kids, so I can open the car door.
Sounds great.
Got it?
Yep, I got it.
So, apparently, with shift kits, and hopefully the sync isn't off on this video, it was off last time. The shift kit determines how fast the gears change first, second, and then in the third. It doesn't affect when your car shifts. That's what the vacuum modulator does. So Eris and I put in a vacuum modulator today, and it shifts pretty nice. A lot nicer than it did. Oh, good, the stereo came on. That means everything works. Gauges work. Everything's working. We have not lost this stupid voltage regulator yet. So we're just gonna go home. That's all we're gonna do. And that's really weird. XM's playing through the phone while you're taking video. That's kind of neat.
Yeah.
Probably throwing everything off the sync though. Of course, it's playing a crappy Christopher Cross song, but yeah, look at the road. Feel those shifts? They're real nice. Right there with the brake shed. When I turn, trying to take the neighborhood. What's that?
It was
The rod.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, it was the rod for the headliner. So feel this first. Second. That's what I wanted. I didn't want some hard shift thing. So we're just gonna go home. It's a quick ride today. We'll pull it into the garage next to the other car before anything else else goes wrong today. I want to walk away with success. All right. Okay, we're in. One last thing I'll show on the video. You can show it if you want. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not, but your pack pretty good. You did the package tray back there. You covered it. I cut it. You covered it and upholstered it, and it was sticking up a little bit. There's 6x9s under, but you can't tell. I stuck the back seat under there without upholstering it yet, but it fits nice. So now we know how it fits, and we like it. We're happy with that, right?
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
Okay. All right, that's it for our video this week. We're done. We'll see you next time.